Okay, so in this video I'm going to highlight the text over here. This is the highlight text in Thrive Architect. This text will I'm going to highlight this text just like I've done using in this blog post with the yellow color. So I'm going to select this text. This is the highlighted text, and then I'm going to the main options. I'm after selecting this text, then I'm going to the main option, and over here there is the option to highlight this text. If I select this, let me choose a color, bright color, right? So I'm going to apply, and see, now this text is highlighted. So I can just highlight other text again. So I'm going to go to the main option, then highlight over here, and let me use a blue color. So this part is also highlighted. So this is how you highlight a text using Thrive Architect. So instead, suppose if you want to read the steps instead of watching this video, you can also read my blog. The link is in the description below. Thank you.